Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify with Zapier using AI product descriptions, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify with Zapier using AI product descriptions, start by logging into your Shopify account. In a new browser tab, log into your Zapier account. If you don't have a Zapier account, create one by following the prompts on the website. Once logged into Zapier, click on the Make a Zap button to create a new automation. In the Choose a Trigger App search bar, type Shopify and select it. Next, choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as new product. Click Continue to move to the next step. Now, connect your Shopify account by clicking Sign into Shopify. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier's access to your Shopify store. Once connected, select your Shopify account from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Next, you will set up the trigger by clicking on Test Trigger to ensure everything is connected properly. Once the test is successful, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, search for the app AI or a specific AI writing tool that you're using, like OpenAI. Select the AI tool and choose Create Content or a similar option as the action event. Click Continue and connect your AI account if prompted. Follow the authentication steps to link your AI writing tool to Zapier. Now, map the necessary fields to input your product information, such as title and categories. These will guide the AI in generating appropriate descriptions. Once you have filled in the fields, click Continue to proceed. It's time to test the AI action to ensure it generates a product description as expected. If the test is successful, you will see the generated content listed in the test results. Click Continue to finalize the setup. Finally, add another action if needed, like sending the AI-generated description back to Shopify. Choose Shopify again and select Update Product as your action event. Map the relevant fields, ensuring the AI-generated description replaces the previous one. Finish by clicking Continue and run a test to verify everything works properly. Once satisfied, turn your Zap on to activate the automation. You have now successfully connected Shopify with Zapier using AI product descriptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.